Good morning, everybody. I'm making pancakes for breakfast today. I'm going to show you how to do it. I need to use a couple drops of oil, and with a paper towel I spread that around. This is a well-seasoned Lodge rectangular carbon steel griddle, and I've got it on top of 2 copper diffusers, so my temperature all the way across the griddle is cruising at about 375. So I've got my pancake batter in this condiment bottle, and I've cut the hole kind of big here, and just going to go ahead and put it out like so. You can hear it's got a little sizzle. The nice thing about using these diffusers is it really makes the temperature even all the way across the griddle. So if you don't have a Blackstone griddle like some of my friends do, this is the next best thing. Alright, so we're just going to let that cook a little bit. Now, what I do with this griddle to make sure that it's at the temperature that I want is I use this infrared thermometer, and it kind of tells me where I'm at. And so I use that to just kind of monitor the temperature as I'm cooking. And the great thing about getting a nice even temperature is all your pancakes are perfect. All right, got some bubbles starting to form on the top of these, so that means that they are just about ready. I'm using a recipe. It uses Bisquick, but I use a little bit different recipe and a little bit different method. I actually beat my egg whites before adding them. All right, here we go. Bang. 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 Nice. You can see the rise on that. Kristen, come down a little bit right here so you can see the rise. Yeah, come down. There you go. Nice. Nice and fluffy. And that's what you want out of your pancakes. You want to make sure you have a nice rise. Texture of these is great. I really like the airiness that beating the egg whites ahead of time gives. What I do is I combine all my dry ingredients and I combine all my wet ingredients together, and then I mix those, and then once that's to where I want it, I add the whipped eggs. And those look nice. Perfect pancakes on a Saturday morning. See ya.